good rank. He got a seat in a very good college, and he made his parents and his school proud, and he also stood up as an example for his small brother. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My story consists of 7 to 8 boys of all mood positive and almost of age 17 to 20. So the main character is Raman, who did not make a good result in his class 10. So and seeing his belonging to a poor family, he understood all his responsibilities after that and decided to work hard to make a good result in the 12th standard. So he made a good strategy and followed it very well. He studied very hard, worked hard, and uh, cleared all the concepts of his syllabus. He also uh, read about all the general awareness and everything to clear other entrance exams. Then after he appeared the exam very well. Then on the result day, he got 87 percentage, which was very much better than what he got in class 10. All the teachers, his family members and friends were very happy and they appreciated him very well. He also appeared in other entrance exams and made a very good result there. That's all.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, gentlemen. It was clearly visible that all of us had perceived characters somewhat related to students only because they were in uniform, right? So
Yes.
there was a
And
notice board, and
they belong to a
I actually,
similar age group. Actually, they
yeah,
also belong to a
yeah,
similar age group.
yeah, they somewhat belong to the similar age group, but at the same time, Surbi, I kind of disagree with your that first part because I don't think it was a COVID-19 lockdown. It could be anything else because they were not wearing masks. They were, and there was not certain sort of social
That
distancing.
time, before that, okay, but before that, before lockdown, masks were not made mandatory for everyone. So in college, they
Though
were just
I agree, masks were not mandatory, but though masks were not made mandatory, most of the people already had taken certain precautions because I
Since
remember.
majority of us have this story that in 10th the main character did not make good result and in 12th he worked hard. So let us
Yeah, somewhat
uh,
that,
make
that
this
that's
the
what I
main
think
story.
because I had appeared my board exams during the lockdown in my this COVID-19 lockdown only. So I remember I used to go to board exams wearing my mask only. So precautions people had already started to
exams
take.
were in
So
after lockdown. Your
Yes, but
exams were
even if
after
there is
after
notice for
lockdown,
COVID-19 lockdown, it is sure that they will wear masks and face
after the
shields.
prime minister announced that there will be total lockdown, we follow those rules. But before that, there was no one following the rules. But yes, certain groups of people who knew what to do, who knew that they were responsible citizens of the country, they took up the challenge,
Yes, since now we have
and
decided the main theme,
they
so
took
let
their own
us go on with
precautions
the
at the same
story.
time.
So
So
Yes.
if we
So
consider
it, it,
this, so
it's
let's not take the COVID thing. We
yes.
can.
So that's what. So since they all were in uniform, they're all students. So most of us agree that they are students somewhat between 16, 17 years
yes,
old. That's
16 to 20
absolutely
years
all
old.
right, I guess. Right? Do you
And
agree?
it is good that if he is belonging to a poor family, then he understands his all
Isn't
responsibility and he
compulsory to make
Yeah,
the
it's
story
yeah.
with a poor background always.
Yeah,
We
I
can
think we
consider
should not
them to be
go.
of
So it could be
middle
something where
class.
he hasn't performed so well somewhere, and he was a little bit disappointed. One of his best friends, he went ahead of him in the result, and now he felt bad because all those years he had worked hard along with his best friend. He could not perform up to that optimum level in which his best friend, and now he wanted to he wanted to perform well now, and he was disappointed with his results. So we
no,
can
but
take class
seeing
10
his
board
friends'
results,
But
result
class
this
10
being
board
kinds
better
of
results.
than his own result, it gives a negative character about the main character. So
I
actually the
understand.
jealousy thing that
yes,
can
No
be a
jealousy.
negative thing about the mood.
I'm not talking
And
about
since
jealousy,
we are
but
considering the positive moods of all of
I'm
those
not. I know.
characters in the picture, we can
I'm
consider.
not totally going to the jealousy thing, but I'm telling that maybe he felt disappointed. He felt that he did not perform up to his own level. Like he could have worked more hard, right? He
so
could
it,
have
it
performed
is
well
better that let us consider that he has made his bad result. He
because
somehow
because
passed the 10th
because as
exam.
you said, Ayan, as you said, like he comes from a poor background. Obviously, a poor, if he is responsible enough, he has to take up the responsibilities. But
Yes.
that's sort of a common story, right? But we need something which actually motivated him to work more hard. His friend, he had
Okay,
performed and
that's better.
he had worked hard up to his level, up to his potential, and he fulfilled it. At the same time, he himself could not perform up to that level. He knew that he could have worked hard like his friend. but he could not perform up to that level. So that's why he was disappointed with himself. He was not disappointed that he could not do well and he could not beat his friend. That is not the I'm saying. I'm saying that he could not. I mean, he could not prove himself. So now after 2 years, when
But
he'll be
that
appearing the
comes
JEE entrances,
that can be portrayed as a negative thing, because if he isn't satisfied with what he expected from himself, that can be a positive thing, that okay, I expected that I'll perform
I'm
better than
saying
this,
that what
better
if
than myself.
what if
Yes,
he could have
I agree
The
to
self-introspection
version of
after
Sushil's
myself,
story.
not
after
comparison with my friend.
self-introspection he realized, probably
If
after
we,
self-introspection he realized that maybe he could have performed better. That's what. How many of you would you agree? Like after
yes, I agree
self-introspection,
that he has
after
realized that
We can
self-introspection he
perform
realized that
better.
he could have
consider
worked hard,
this.
and now
But let us not
there's
make it
another
like he's
chance
jealous
coming
of his
after two
friend.
years. There's another chance coming in the next 2 years, and he can perform better there, right? So maybe that could be the way he can go ahead. And obviously, so can we agree with that background?
Yes, yes.
Like his
Can
self-introspection.
be of
So
middle class
this
background, and then
obviously
this
he can be of middle
self-introspection
class
and
background, middle class background. And coaching, it depends whether if he
No,
wants to
let
take
us not
coaching, like
coaching
that he
can
has
be
not taken any
school,
coaching.
and they are
Coaching,
His own, if
to
he
crack entrances like JEE exam, you have to take up coaching, but at the same time self study is also important. So he had to put his own work and effort as well. So that is a secondary issue. So
if we made it
if he
like
has to,
that he has not taken any coaching, then it is more better for the main character.
obviously that's
More
better. That's what
positive
I
attitude
actually
of him.
wrote.
but
That's what I
J
actually wrote.
doesn't is a thing that can be cracked easily without coaching. I
No, I have seen many.
I
I've seen
agree.
many
I agree.
aspirants
J
have
is not
cracked
so
the
easy
coaching.
that it cannot be cracked, but it's not impossible at the same time, right?
Yes,
It's not
sir.
impossible. The word
but the
itself says I
chances
am
are very
possible.
less.
So
We cannot consider the 0.1 or 1-2% chances
okay,
that
then we can
those
do one
people
thing. He took a local coaching. He took a local guidance from his teachers. Like he did not go to full-time coaching all day. He was not there in the coaching center. He took a local coaching. He took guidance, but at the end, it was his hard work. Obviously, you cannot always depend on the
yes.
coaching teachers. At the end, it's always your hard work, your own efforts,
Yes,
how you
that's
have
true.
worked hard, how you have planned it. So he made his own plan, how he will be planning. And obviously, class 10, maybe he kind of did a lot of other things, extracurriculars. Now he switched away from some of those extracurriculars. Yes, he kept time for it, but not completely switched off. Suppose I said that he used to play, he has a little brother, so he used to play with his little brother, spend time with him, and teach him a lot of things during his 2-year journey. And finally he did really well in the JEE entrance. So I think this is a
Okay,
very
now since
positive outcome.
we have considered a common story, so now let us conclude with a common story.
Yes.
Okay,
So shall
So
I
I
go
would
ahead?
like to say the story.
Okay, you may go ahead.
So, what name can we take of the main character?
I have Rahul.
Any-
Simple. It can be anyone. It can be anything.
My name was also Rajiv, is a common name.
Yeah. You can go ahead with any of that. Any name. It's
Rahul
your
is a
choice.
16-year-old boy who. Okay, so Rahul is a 16-year-old boy. He went to the school and he visited the notice board where he saw the results. Where he saw that the marks were displayed, and he didn't get the marks he expected from himself. So he self-introspected, thought of working hard on his own, and then performed well. He set a target to perform well in his class 12th and clear the JEE exam. So he took a local coaching where he took the guidance of many of his teachers, and he worked hard as well as smart during his in the duration of his 11th and 12th. And in the final 12th class, he scored well, and he also cleared the JEE exam as his expectation, by making his parents and his teachers very proud of him. Okay,
Yes.
that's the story.
Yes.
Okay.
So this was our story.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Right. First and foremost, Talukar, anything you have to add?
Okay, as a debrief, I'll just tell you, very interesting discussion today. I was very impressed. You all pulled yourself out from a negative situation to a slightly positive. I think our training has helped you a lot. Okay, I feel that because I have attended the previous one or two, and there it was many negatives. But I must compliment Survi because she's the one who always reminded you that this is negative. Let's get into something more positive. So Survi, congratulations for that, and she really picked up. But what I felt disappointed about the two boys, that just because she's a girl, you give it away to her. Okay. Of course, probably you'll not have a mixed group. You'll have your own groups. When she goes for her SSB, she'll find all the girls there. When you go for your SSB, you'll find all the boys. But I'm just taking an example that you literally gave her all the opportunities and she grabbed it. That's very good of her. Okay, that's all. Otherwise, Colonel Mukteshwar will tell you the finer points of your discussion.
Okay, let's start first of all, Survi. Survi, very nice. They started off. One is when you start your story, you must say, my story consists of so many characters, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And they are mood, positive, negative. Don't go for negative, start for positive mood. Third, your age should be same way, which you rightly put, you are passing out engineering. That's very nice. But problem comes, you added a word called it is going to affect the job of the teacher. That's a very, very, very negative things to come back. Did you say that it will affect the teacher job of the teacher? How would the job of the teacher would be affected because of COVID? First and foremost. Next, after having done that, rightly so, probably you wanted to develop an app. Now, app you develop in how much time you took it, probably that you didn't really clarify. And how
I said a couple of weeks. Acha, actually the exact time.
that you have to be slightly more positive there. You have to be more, since your story by and large was stimulating in the sense it was in a positive direction. He could have made it much more interesting. How could he make it interesting? That being engineering science or say computer science from there, in order to take advantage of the COVID situation and facilitate functioning of the teacher as well as student, he along with his professor developed an app, another system where a student can approach the resources available in the college and to the system through the app, which is going to aid the functioning. One is aid. Why only saying app does not give you credit. How much effort did you put in? What did you gain? How did you achieve that? Was it which language? Once you are going to specifically probably say which language did you use? How do you use it? Who will give those details? These details are missing. And until you give the details around there, you will not be able to go through. That's first part. Second, yours was a good story and you succumbed to these two boys who are much younger to you and picked up a hero of 16 years. So that means it's a passivity. You are that again, you let it go. You had the best of the story available. Out of 3, I think your story was the best. But where was the need of succumbing to these two people around there whose story itself was negative? They're all talking about
The mask thing, so I thought it was a valid point. That's why I
understand they didn't have a valid point. You made so that whatever goodness you had gets washed off, totally washed off from the system. You had a good story, there was nothing negative in your story. Everything probably you could have added more detail. That was only thing required. Where you a hero of 16 years, your age 18 to 20. No, correct. So what is you got a regression? Your mental age became younger, still remain childish. So that is the greater problem. Second, now when you go back, you've talked about it why very, very nicely. You put across why are you talking, very pertinent point is why should we talk about poor boy, poor family? Very nice. And then you came back. Let's talk about him. Let's middle income class, middle class. Why? Where's the need of it? Once you are criticizing someone, then succumbing to back again, you are following the same path. Correct? Okay. Then you say background. Then you say you got stuck with Rahul and Rajiv. How does it matter? Your criticism should be on the something which is pertinent, something which has got some meat. You got stuck about it. Is it Rahul or Rajiv? It doesn't make any difference. If he has said Rajiv, okay, let's take Rajiv. So it is not going to add any value. Name doesn't make any difference. What is the characteristic of the hero is going to make the difference. what hero has said, how the hero has performed, that is going to be the outcome. How do you participate? You were almost the third person to enter. As usual, Razi took the lead. Razi took the lead and went inside the discussion, started the discussion very well. So what did you remember? I said three things: group task role, group building role, and self-centered role. Initiator was the first of the quality. So if you being such a good quality, why couldn't you afford to initiate? You had all the time because you were the first person to have given the story and other two people followed you. So you had ample time to think, which you did not take advantage of. You didn't take advantage of. Secondly, is it compulsory for poor to the right word? Then he says mandatory. You the word jealous. Let's not talk about COVID. Who said you started with COVID and you're talking, let's not talk about COVID. You started with COVID. You are contradicting yourself, aren't you? Did you use this word? Let's not talk about COVID. Yes or no? Why? Where's the question? When you discuss, when you go about it, there has to be, you must really think, you have to be alert. If you can't keep yourself alert for 10 minutes, I think that's not worth it. What is required? Only 10 to 15 minutes of alertness is required. That's how the participant goes. Okay. After that, you use the word jealous. Very right. You are trying to be critical. You are trying to be critical. You were jealous of the boy. You got to put across very soberly in a civil manner. Gentlemen, let's not be there. Rather than talking anything around, yes, because so you will say you are being pointing a finger at your people around there, which should be avoided. You cannot be critical, mind me. This is fundamental. I have told you. That's how the group function goes into there. You cannot be critical. Okay. Now let's come to Rajdeep. Very nice. To the case. First and foremost, the story itself is far below expectations of Rajdeep. You've got enough caliber. Why can't you meet your challenges? Why can't you challenge yourself? Where is the need of bringing such a low-level idea in the system? Only primarily because you are not able to come out of your shell. I have told you, you've got enough capabilities. You can do wonders. But what you are stuck locally in your system around there. Why? Because you have seen some boys not showing well, so you've got your environment is playing you are not able to come out of that environment system. Such a low-level idea, a person has not done well, very nice. And then you are trying to, what is the story? I didn't think, remember when I told whenever possible talk about the group. And I give him 5-6 characters, you cannot be individual. What is story? A story here, you have talked about a boy. Here 6 people are there. Is it a group? Is it not a group?
Yes, sir.
And what you're talking about, a single individual who has not done well in? Look at
exams.
He is talking about developing app where all other people are utilizing. So is he talking about the group? Is he talking about the group or not?
Yes, sir.
Positivity, understand. Let's understand from each other. You talked about it, he has not done well. So what does it mean? Sense of responsibility gone. Secondly, he is poor boy. What does it mean? You think yourself, you're not pure. Why should that environment, why should the environment be picking on to you? You want to get people's empathy and sympathy, which you cannot get.
Sir, I actually did not choose a poor boy. I think Ayan chose a poor boy.
No, I not COVID. I understand. I have written 7 to 8 boys. Rahul, not too well. Ji, yahan par hai. Sacrifice, good college. This is what you talked about. Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And 7 to 8 boys. Not too well. Then he studies JE, then ultimately he or she curses the JE. You are trying to talk about your own story. Then you also, in discussing, you brought it, you had spent time looking after your child. That's your own story. I have told you, you have to keep yourself away from the... Why are you telling us? Did I ask you a story? No. Where was the need of bringing it? Could not perform, disappointed. When you use the word disappointed, what does it mean? I cannot afford to take you. Straightway rejected. Did you use the word disappointed or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's not a disappointment. I cannot accept it on there. Self-introspection. Then he says, own stay, then you talk about own story. Deviates from the main discussion. You have got the tendency. Now what all of you have discussing, rather than talking about the story, what you are talking about, should there be a boy was there or not there, jealousy and all stuff. You have never discussed the story per se. You all of you have been just tar ka bal ka tar ke bal ka mano, the khal khichna. That is what you all of you are talking bal ka khal khichna. Do you know what hair? You are trying to split the hair in the system. Why are you talking about? You none of you talk the meat. How can you afford to make a difference? Why should I accept it? Why, if you can't afford to even talk about a story that you are there? What effort did you put in? How do you get it? You all this has come back after the discussion. Correct? So that is not the way that you can't afford to get in on this. So though you have said, you also, then you also talked about not jealous, main character, what was there, that is the total system. As far as Iron is concerned, Iron looked very passive today. You started again, Raman, not good result, poor family, concept, general awareness, then again negligence, you talked about it, no. And you have to, you have got, again, you continue the old state of supporting what Rajdeep has said. I support, yes, I support you. Where's the need of supporting? Why do you want to support? Does it require support or what? You are fighting for your own, you are fighting your own battle, or you are going to let Rajdeep pass, or you want to fail yourself? Tell me.
No, sir.
Then why you learn that? Yes, I agree with you. And where is the question? What is there a good story? You should have picked, you should have had sense. Yes, both of you could have mixed up. Survi has given it and your people have not promised. So in spite of not so good information about the say knowledge, what is knowledge about computer, having studied computer science, computer subject in 12th, 10th, 12th, along with the student, Survi student also joined up, made the PAP. Probably you could have combined the two story together. Can't you think about better? It is not only performance in the story. It is a combination. Mind you, it is give and take, combine the two. Yes, I agree with what Survi is saying. I agree. Though this gentleman he is a bright student who has capability to pass in JEE, and having you are in class and not new syllabus have been added up. With this knowledge, why can't you add up, supplement what was the same? Yes. This is the wrong time. We would all support that. So that's how the story can be combined. And what is total discussion gone? With three of you, three story talking, you couldn't even talk for 7 to 8 minutes. And we let it go. How can you afford to make a dent if you do this way? Survi, you have to be more, you have to be assertive. Rajdeep is assertive, but without logic. You have to learn, mind you, Rajdeep, please exploit your intellect. And you are too passive. You have to be more assertive, you have to get into the system. All of you have got enough capability to pass on your own merit, but if you allow others to walk with laurels, well, up to you to decide. So with this total affair, what Kamrud Talukdar has said, yes, there is certain openness has come. That's the end of it. Beyond the no, you've got a long way to go. Your stories are pathetic, not up to standard. Understand, if I have said PPDT can only be passed if you write a good story. Tell out the story in 60 seconds. Learn it properly. Stand in front of the mirror. You cannot afford to cross 61 seconds. Finish in 59 second dot. Thirdly, participate well with, that time I used the word, in fish market, become the best fish available, isn't it? And Rajdeep had told me Rohu. So become Rohu. The way you people have participated, is it Rohu? No, absolutely no. Any question now, all of you?
No, sir.
Have you understood what is to be done?
So how do we become the best fish in the market?
That's where how Rohit survives. Tell me what is the best right? Your smell should be right. What do you smell? What you speak should be right. That's the best way. What you speak and the way you
Yes,
speak
sir.
is what is your that is the smell that you sell. Until you sell yourself, how can you be counted? No one is going to stand by you. Why should anyone give you freedom to walk away? Why should I pass you? Both, all three of you. Survi has got enough material. Probably she is mature. Probably she has slightly more edge over you people. Yes, I agree. But she has again much below what my expectations are from her. Both of you have got enough talent. You have not yet opened up. How can you become the best fish? By writing a good story. Number two, bring out the characteristic of that story, that character who are involved. Talking positivity, not bringing negative aspect of it, remain always in discussion, not using the word like jealousy and other aspects that you people have used around there. That brings negativity. You remember I have said negativity is the fundamental reason for failure in PPDT. Did I say this or not? Low level
Yes,
of
sir.
imagination was another reason. And until this imagination, any doubt? Tell me, any doubt?
I don't know
No,
from
sir.
where this poor background came, because I find the clear picture as it is. He said that he is giving you a very clear picture. Otherwise, in SSB, you will not get such a clear picture. All of them are well dressed. They're all standing erect in front of maybe a notice board, maybe a photo or whatever. Okay. So the question of bringing in a background, poor background, doesn't come here. So try and avoid this thing. The negativity. Poor background means straight away you put yourself in a disadvantage.
And both of them are individualistic. Both of you are individual. You're talking individual. I have talked to whenever possible, talk about a group. And since 6 people you cannot talk about group, what is the use? What have we gained? And when you walk out, when you're rejected in screen test, then you blame the person that I've been rejected in spite of my such a background.
Then I wanted to add about this jealousy. Again, it's a negative thing. Now,
Very
nowhere in
negative.
the picture comes out that one is jealous of the other. Do you find anywhere jealousy? They're all standing next to each other, very homely atmosphere, very cordial atmosphere.